I'm going to show you how I made this wall decor using cardboard and some cake sheets. I started by cutting a 12-inch circular cardboard into two halves. Then I painted one half black and the other white. I do not have white border color, and I also do not have black contact paper, so I used the materials I had at hand. A tip for making your contact paper last long is to clean the surface on which you're going to stick it before you do, so it doesn't peel early. If you're still watching, then it means you like the video. Kindly remember to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I put up a new video each week. Thank you. I got these cake sheets because I thought they looked really good. I mean, the gold is giving. Next, I randomly cut the sheets into small pieces. They were mostly triangular in shape. After getting the first layer done, I went over and filled in the spaces to give it a fuller look. How the edge of the black half was looking, so I cut thin strips out of the gold sheets and glued them down with hot glue. I cut a smaller circle out of cardboard about 2 inches wide and stack more of the gold sheet pieces onto it. Then I glued that onto the white half. That's how I made this stunning wall decor. You don't tell me this is not nice. Tell me the gold is not giving. It is giving. Alright, I'll see you in my next video. I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Bye.